Na ficha zijatoka sasa hivi. Wavuvi. Zile zinakuja hivi kwetu hizo. Panda juu. Hai. Kamano.
Ati Kimkai. Ni Kit Mikayi bwana. Kit Mikayi. Wale wali wanaomba.
But he loved that work like his first wife. The name comes from. But it can help the people from this area in many ways, not only the name. During the drought, guess you can see the sign of water coming from the top, like the tears. That is means the rocket is crying. Then guess that symbol, something is up the heart is going away to look for them crying. And walk to witch doctors. And witch doctor tell Geso, go back and pray to your stone. Your stone is blocking the rain. You must go and do the sacrifice near the stone, then you get rain. While Geso come back and put the meeting here, how to come here for sacrifice. To be sacrificed with a white he-goat and 4 chicken. Geso we do the sacrifice here, kill goat near here, then he put fire here, and the rest is teaching of those two. And kill the chicken, he cannot use the knife. He touched the leg of the hen and hit the leg in the stone. Then put on the fire, all the feathers will be burning, and the rest prepared well. And just we remove the intestine of the hen and the blood of the goat and carry to pray here to God. After praying to God, they just roasted the meat and eaten without ugali. But on the same day, the rain will fall until tomorrow in the morning, and each and everyone going to their gardens. And all the trees which around here are medicinal. So you can see the candles here. We have religious group that will come here for fasting. Like the church, which College of Maria is using the candles for their praying. So that one, the history about here is told us with our grandfather. Do you have any question?
We can now go to the next phase.
So we can go inside.
Hakuna venye inaweza anguka.
Siwezi piga picha juu hili. Unaweza panda huko juu. Unaweza iguza ikateremka.
heads.
Bado tunaingia huko chini.
Unadhani cave ni nini?
Mind your heads.
Mungu niko kazi.
So this is the shrine.
But not this time. This time we lock it. By stones, we don't want to kill someone. So if someone was married from this area, be coming here with a wife, and the husband giving the wife 10 cents, the coin, and told the wife to throw inside that hole, and then making shinging, and holding this rock, and then holding pose. No separation, the wife is stay forever. Other side. Okay. That's the natural seat. Sit in the natural seat. Here is the first floor. You want to go to the second floor. Up there. It is a nice view for taking photos.
Yeah.
Okay. Karanta.
But we can go back with the same route. There is no route on this side.
Okay. Nimechongwa na maji. Where is Africa? Where is Africa? Kwa kona. Hapo ndio Africa.
Ungepata resi.
Hapa kuna nini?
Kwa mtu anaweza kufikia hapa atamke hapo. Ni place. Telefoni gani? Hapa ndio mzuri.
Guys, follow the leader.
Oh,